Hello, I'm Mark Kinsman, and this here is Short Gap's old furnace. It is located just off Route 28 in Short Gap, West Virginia. On the road that bears its name stands the remains of the old iron furnace. The furnace is known as the Vulcan furnace, and named for the Roman god of forge, Vulcan. In the early 1840s, John Gamble of Pennsylvania invested 16,200 acres of ground along what is now the old Furnace Road in Mineral County. He had vision of making a fortune producing iron at the iron furnace he constructed at the site. The stone furnace is a blast furnace, included a large steam boiler, a steam engine, and on the side, well located to the left of the furnace, the Vulcan furnace produced a low-grade iron burning charcoal or oil coal for food. Plentiful local limestone was used for fluxing, and iron ore was obtained from trenches and pits along the eastern side of Novelty Mountain over here. The fuel, limestone, and iron were fed into the top of the furnace. The top of the furnace up here where it was fed and into the top, and resulting iron was removed from the bottom of the furnace at the drop pit down here at the bottom. A stucco home that stands nearby, but one house, the company office, and is now a private residence. A barn that once stood behind the house was formerly the country store. Gamble's dream faded because of the poor quality of iron ore from nearby Novelty Mountain. The resulting product was inferior, and resulting ended his long struggle. In 1850, after failing to repay a debt to Thomas and John Hauser, Gamble's 200 acres, including the iron furnace, were auctioned off to pay the debt. On August 9, 1850, before the door of the store of Samuel B. Brady in the town of Frankfort, the Gamble property was sold at public auction for $1,750. The property was sold to the highest bidder, Joseph C. Manning and Stephen E. Lee, partners trading under the firm name of Manning and Lee in the city of Baltimore, Maryland. Manning and Lee seemed to fare no better than Gamble. In 1851, the property was used by their firm to secure a deed of trust for the debt of $6,000 from the Baltimore firm of William E. Mayhew, Jr. On August the 28th, 1852, the property was again sold at public auction to the highest bidder, William E. Mayhew, Jr. firm, for $3,750. On October 11th of 1852, Mayhew again sold the property to Joseph Hancock of Philadelphia. The deed reads 200 acres of land with all appendages, together with all in singular, the steam engine, furnace property, tool, coal, ore, and all other movable property now on the same and connected with you and about that iron furnace. They were sold at said public auction by said Miller to said Mayhew on the said 28th of August, 1852. The flue in stone stack of the Vulcan furnace still stands along the road, bearing its name, a last remaining iron furnace from this period in Mineral County. The furnace in 1 acre of ground it sits on, now owned by Old Furnace Church of the Brethren, also named for the furnace and located just across Old Furnace Road from the church on land once owned by John Gamble. And I belong to the church here, and I have it, a matter of fact, that we've deeded it over to the Mineral County Historical Society. And I thank you very much.